guys, welcome to Shreya's BFF, all about beauty, fashion, films, your one-stop destination to it. Well, let me tell you a story. A couple of years ago, one teenager from college with her first earning from Lakme Fashion Week went to a store of Kama Ayurveda, and with her first earning, she was very happy to buy a Kumkumadi night serum from that store. And then she bought it again and again and again, and she formed a relationship with that serum because it completely changed her skin. So I was most happy when Kumkumadi, that serum, came to my laps and Kama Ayurveda wanted to collaborate with me because I knew how that serum is. I didn't need to test that. Today we are going to talk about two products of Kama Ayurveda. Firstly, the Kama Ayurveda Night Serum, or the Kumkumadi Thalam as it is popularly known. And secondly, the Kama Ayurveda Scrub, which is also a very famous product. Firstly, let's talk about the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Thalam or Night Serum, which is also called the Kama Ayurveda Miraculous Beauty Fluid. It is a very lightweight beauty fluid. Consistency is like very lightweight water, and it is extracts of matter of Kama Ayurveda Night Serum helps in reducing early signs of aging. Vetiver and lotus extracts helps in calming the skin, and liquorice helps and protects the skin texture. The goodness of natural Ayurveda, this Kumkumadi Thalam takes care of your skin very well. Well, natural Ayurveda is very mild on your skin, which has no chemicals. Chemicals sometimes can be very harsh for the skin of some people. Chemicals cannot be very good for people with sensitive skin. They cannot take actives of chemicals very well on their skin. So Ayurveda is the most natural way for actives on the skin of some people. So next up you have the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub, where after cleansing you have to use this face scrub on your damp face, and then you have to massage your face gently and then rinse off this scrub. This scrub exfoliates your face mildly, and this is a physical exfoliation. A lot has been spoken about chemical exfoliation recently, but chemical exfoliation cannot be taken by people who have to face the sun regularly, because then their face becomes very sensitive. So their only option is to physically exfoliate their skin. So what better than use the Ayurvedic Kama Ayurveda face scrub. So this is a genuine solution for people who want some mild face scrub, physical mild face scrub. So their best option is the Kama Ayurveda face scrub. This is the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Thalam Miraculous Beauty Fluid I was talking about till now, and this is what I use every night. Just 2-3 drops of it in the night and you are done for the day. And in the morning you wake up with a plumped up skin, which reduces your crow's feet, wrinkles, dark spots and any pigmentation, and gives you bright flawless skin in the glow. This face scrub is made of 12 traditional beauty oils, which cleanses your face properly and also is anti-aging and takes care of your skin texture. This is clinically tested, visibly smoothens your skin texture and visibly smoothens skin by 34%, reduces pore size by 34% and firms skin by 24%, clinically proven to smoothen skin by 97%. 85% of the clinical panel which tested this scrub showed skin brightening. Results I spoke to you about were the results that were clinically proven after a trial was done of people of the age group between 36 to 55. They were done in Mascot, and they were full of pigmentation, crow's feet, wrinkles and these were the results that were found out after they were blindfolded, and for a period of 28 days they were the scrub of Kumkumadi Kama Ayurveda was applied on them for 28 days, and these were the clinical results that were found on them. So see, it is completely a proven result. Then this is how the scrub works. So guys, these are the beauty of two products of Kama Ayurveda. So that is all guys. That is how I have found these two gems from Kama Ayurveda recently. Of course, there are a lot of favorites of Kama Ayurveda even apart from these two products. Like I cannot do without the rose water from Kama Ayurveda. What are your favorites from Kama Ayurveda apart from the night serum and the Kumkumadi scrub? To write it down, because I want a discussion so that I can find my favorites apart from these in Kama Ayurveda. So write it down over there, and also I will add a personalized link of mine so that you can go and splurge on the offers of Kama Ayurveda directly from the website through that link. So that is all in this video, and I will be catching you in 7 days with my next content. So till that, do subscribe to my Instagram account where every alternate days there are new real magics going on. And apart from that, to give this video a big thumbs up, and I don't think there's any reason you would dislike it, will you? So to give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe, and that is all. Bye. See you now.